Hello, today I would like to inform you about an exceptional product. It is a beacon featuring an integrated courtesy light specifically designed to be mounted on a pole. It is available in two distinct versions, one for poles ranging from 70 to 100 mm and another for poles measuring 120 mm. Dual operational mode, a fixed courtesy LED light in white and a flashing yellow light in automation signaling mode. Universal power supply system. The integrated courtesy light is capable of being powered from 12 to 24 volts, whereas the flashing component can be powered from 12 to 230 volts. Both modes have the capability to operate simultaneously. When the flashing light is activated, the courtesy light is deactivated and it returns precisely 4 seconds after the flashing ceases. You can find this product on WGate Shop. If you are a retailer, installer, or automation professional, we invite you to ask us for information about this and other products at the email address you see in the video.